Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling the essential tools and starting the model pipeline. Create and activate a Python virtual environment, then install PyTorch, TorchVision, OpenCV, and transformers, because you need both image processing and embeddings. Choose a backbone like MobileNet v2 or Clip, MobileNet for speed, Clip for multimodal matching. Once done, structure your dataset into training, validation, and test splits, and include labels and optional EXIF data so the model can learn context and orientation. Now you train the two core systems, detection and retrieval. First, set up an object detector. YAL of 8 works for real-time bounding boxes. Train until MAP stabilizes. Then, produce compact embeddings by fine-tuning Clip or using a contrastive learning head so visual features align with text queries. Once embeddings are consistent, create a vector index with FAIS, applying PCA and IVF for speed. This ensures sub-second retrieval on mobile. Make sure to validate end-to-end with held-out queries. To finish, integrate models into your app and optimize for the target device. Convert networks to ONGs or TF-Lite, apply pruning and 8-bit quantization to cut latency and memory. Decide on on-device inference for privacy or a server API for heavier models. Once done, implement a lightweight fallback using OCR for text-heavy results. If something breaks, retrain on failing cases and check input preprocessing. Mismatched resize or color normalization is the single most common issue, and it usually fixes retrieval failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.